Dude, like suddenly all these birds came out of nowhere. What the hell is going on? I'm terrified. Look at all these birds. Look at them. Look at them. Where are they coming from? What kind of birds are they? What the hell? Oh my god, it looks like they're running for their lives. Holy shit. I've never seen anything like that. Look, the way over there, way over. Over the trees, look at them. Look at all those birds. What happened that scared the hell out of them? Look at them. Looks like they're running, looks like they're flying for their lives. I mean, look at all these birds. Holy shit. I don't understand it. Oh my god. Look, they keep coming. They're not going in a circle. These new birds they just keep coming. I'm freaked out right now. I'm freaked out. Holy shit. Oh, this is the freakiest thing I've ever seen. Oh my god, they keep coming. Where are they coming from? Oh my god. Look at these birds. Look. Oh my god. Where are they coming from? Oh my god. Oh, I feel like I'm not even in a real world right now. Look at these birds, all these birds flying overhead. I hope they don't crab in my face. What the hell? Look at all these birds. Look at them. They keep coming. Oh, I'm really worried. Like, what happened? Are they, like, truthfully just migrating? Look at, the sky is full of birds. It's like the movie, The Birds. I mean, they are, like, freaking everywhere. Look at them. Oh, my God. Look at this. Look at this. It's freezing out here, by the way. But I just had to capture this. Oh my god. Wow, that is freaky. They're still coming too. Look at that. I'm gonna get in the car. I'm freezing. Oh, but oh my god, look, they keep coming. Oh, that's freaking me out. Oh my goodness. Where the hell did all these birds come from? Oh my god, I've never seen anything like that. That is not normal at all. They're getting the hell out of Florida because they found out it's going to freeze again tomorrow. Look at these things. They do not stop. These are hundreds of birds. I've probably seen at least 1,000 plus birds by now. I've probably seen 1,000 plus birds by now. Look at them. Look at them. They're still coming. Holy crap. Oh my god. I mean, they literally, look at them. They're still coming. It looks like they're scrambling for their lives. I mean, it looks like freaking Bigfoot's coming or T-Rex or something. I mean, look at them. Look at them. They keep coming still. I'm so concerned. Oh my god. I'm looking behind me and there's still more birds coming. I mean, flocks and flocks and flocks. Look at this. Oh my god. Look at these birds. They are freaking out. Wow. Oh my god, I wonder where they're headed. I wish I knew what's going on. Oh my god, look at that. They're still coming. They're still coming. Oh my God, this is so creepy. I've never seen, the sky is full of birds. Dudes, oh my God, there's birds everywhere. Holy, as far as the eye can see, the sky is covered with birds. I don't know what the hell is going on. I would like to know. Like, I'm really worried. I've never seen anything like this. The birds have lost their minds. Look, they keep coming. Oh my God. It looks like they might be thinning out now. I mean, that was probably, I don't know, a couple thousand birds. Oh no, it's not thinning out. Look at this. Look at this. No, it is not thinning out at all. They just keep coming. They just keep passing through here. Oh my God. What in the world? Oh my God, this is so creepy. It's raining birds. Oh my God, look, and way up in the sky, way up there, the little tiny dots. That's more birds. Oh God, I'm really scared. I have never seen a spectacle like this before. Not here. Oh my God, that's insane. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. Maybe they're thinning out now. Maybe? Oh my God, that is so creepy. That is like something you see in a scary movie. Okay, there's less birds now. Holy crap. I mean, I wonder where they're going. I wonder where they went. I wonder why they're... I mean, they are moving. Like, they're moving like there's a monster coming, you know? They're just freaking moving. They're not looking for food or anything. They're hightailing it out of here. And I think that's it. No more birds. Oh wait, just a couple here. Those are the last ones looking for their flock. Wow. Look at that. That one's dive bombing. Oh my God. It's kind of windy. Oh no. We're getting some more. Oh God, I thought this was over. I'm really creeped out. What is up with the birds? Yeah, a truck pulling up, but my goodness. There's still some stragglers, but the giant horde of birds is gone. I don't know where they went, but oh my God. They look lost. It looks like they look confused. They look lost. Oh, I feel bad. I hope they're okay. I hope there's nothing horrible going on. The weather's really cold here. It went into the 30s this morning, but I don't know why suddenly all these birds. Whew. Well, I'm gonna check the news and see. I don't know. There's still some stragglers coming. It's very interesting. Very interesting. Unless I have a conversation with the bird, I guess I will never know what is going on. There's, you know what? We're getting like a second wave or something. What was that? Wow. Insane.